commercial investment and lucrative returns are what you're looking for, then Noida Greater Noida Expressway may be the right bet for you. The 24-kilometer long stretch is one of the most popular investment hubs in the National Capital Region due to its strategic location and ample commercial choices. In this video, 99 Acres shares the top 5 reasons to invest in a commercial project along Noida Greater Noida Expressway and the investment prospects in the region. Starting with its connectivity quotient, Noida Greater Noida Expressway offers optimal connectivity to Delhi and other parts of the city via DND Flyway, Kalandi Kunj Road and Noida Link Road, accessible at about 16 to 19 kilometers. The FNG Expressway and Aqua Metro line also serve the region, boasting strong connectivity between Faridabad, Noida and Ghaziabad. Another crucial factor fueling the commercial investment along the stretch is the presence of several Fortune 500 companies. Sectors like Sector 82, 93, 100, 110, 137 and 168 located along Noida Greater Noida Expressway host multiple corporate firms and IT/ITES giants, making it a popular employment hub. Some of the major companies located in the region include KPMG, Dell, Accenture, Sapient, HCL, Adobe. Next one is the potential to invest here. Noida Greater Noida Expressway is dotted with many commercial projects by key developers, and Group 108 is one of them. Lately, the group has come up with a new IT/ITES project, 1FNG, spread across 15 acres of land parcel. 1FNG offers high-end offices and retail spaces with top-notch amenities. These include IGBC Platinum pre-certified for design, multi-level car parking, EV charging pods, cycle tracks, dedicated bus service. With regards to inventory, 1FNG has 2 towers for offices, Tower A and Tower B, with G+37 and G+15 floors respectively. Also, these include exceptional features such as 21 high-speed elevators, 62.5% office efficiency, separate entrance for office and retail spaces, one of the largest floor plates in Noida, measuring approximately 53,000 square feet, and a business center for seminars and workshops spread over approximately 7,500 square feet with hospitality services. Retail spaces are spread over 5 blocks comprising over 200 shops for investment. To prioritize occupants' welfare, there is a sport wellness center with indoor swimming pool, board games and gymnasium, among other facilities. Moving on to the next factor is the huge catchment area around Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Around 90 housing societies are located along the stretch, contributing to the increased commercial demand, high footfall and lucrative investment returns. Last but not least, several upcoming infrastructure projects planned near the expressway are expected to further boost the commercial dynamics, resulting in demand and price surge. These include the upcoming Jewar International Airport, Film City, the ambitious 56 kilometers FNG Expressway, proposed Convention and Habitat Center in Noida Sector 94, and the Aqua Metro line extension to connect Sector 142 in Noida to Botanical Garden. That's all for now. If you find this video informative, do share and like our video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be back with more informative videos very soon.